The Gandhian Society USA recently convened in Edison, New Jersey to extend a warm welcome to esteemed guests and recognize outstanding individuals. Among the notable attendees were Nitin Mathuria, president of the Aditya Birla Group of Companies. Also present were luminaries such as Dr. Sudhir Parekh, Chairman Parekh Worldwide Media. Held at the M Square Fitness and Recreation Center, the event featured captivating displays of acrobatics and martial arts by members of the Mallakhambh Federation of USA. Dr. Sudhir Parekh commended the Gandhian Society's dedication to promoting Gandhian values, while Nishit Patel and Biral Patel expressed their appreciation for the Society's commitment to service and youth empowerment. The highlight of the evening was the presentation of a plaque by founder and grand patron Bhadra Butala to Nitin Mathuria, recognizing his exceptional leadership. Let's watch some highlights.
Hello everyone, I am Nitin Mathuria. I am president of the Eternal Gandhi project of the Aditya Birla Group in Mumbai, India. This project is spearheaded under the aegis of Mrs. Rajeshri Birla. She is the chairperson of the Aditya Birla Group's corporate social responsibilities. She is the mother of our current chairman, Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla, and she is the wife of the late Shri Aditya Birla, after whom our group of companies, Aditya Birla Group, is named. So we are in this project, we are in the, our endeavor is to create, set up and manage and run digital interactive multimedia museums across the world. The fourth museum, Butalaji, the promoter, founder of Gandhian Society, another non-profit organization in New Jersey. He is a Gandhian, he follows Mahatma Gandhi and he propagates his values. So he came to us and he desired that why not we have a museum in New Jersey. At that point in time, the Consulate General of India in New York, he suggested why don't we meet the mayor of Atlantic City, because he was also interested, and that's how we set up our fourth multimedia museum at Atlantic City in New Jersey. We inaugurated that in September 30th, 2022, and it is running. So there we have 11 kind of exhibits which showcase the 11 vows which Mahatma Gandhi took. Now we are in the process of setting a fifth museum in Pune, and I am here. I met the Culture Commissioner of New York City, Ms. Laurie Cambo, and her team. She also desires, the New York City desires to have a Gandhi Museum in New York now. So we are there. I came all the way from India. We met her today and we are taking forward these meetings in next month again. So again we will be meeting next month, and I do hope that people who have gathered here, they would generously support, because we from Aditya Birla Group, we do have our exhibits and we set up the museum. But ultimately it is people like you all who support Butalaji and his endeavors so that these museums keep running. What best way to preserve the values of Mahatma Gandhi than to support such museums? So I thank you all for this, and I give this mic to Mr. Butala. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Mr. Butala I'm a founder of Gandhian Society. We already started museum in Atlantic City. Today we have the meeting in the mayor office with Dr. Combo, who is in charge of the cultural affairs of the culture affairs, and he offered also in the New York to start the Gandhi Museum. So we all negotiated with the Birla management in the mayor office, and today we work so many things. I hope within a 2-3 months we will set up our Gandhi Museum in New York. Thank you. Thank you. I am with the Sudhir Bhai. Sudhir Bhai is really giving me a good support. I am really obliged of Dr. Sudhir Parekh. Thank you.
I'm very much part of the Gandhian Society here in USA, and we are very lucky and very honored that Birla Group is going to support us to having the museum, not in Atlantic City only, but it's in the New York City, because New York City is really a center of the whole world. And once it becomes in New York City, I think there will be a multi-ethnic community or multi-racial, national community will be visiting Mahatma Gandhi, because Mahatma Gandhi is the only person who is most appreciated and honored and respected by whole world, whether it's India or outside India. And so thank you, Nitin Bhai, for your great support. And you can count on my media group, Parikh Valwal Media, and all our newspapers and so forth. So good luck, and please let us know what else we can do through media. Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Nishit Patel. I'm the council president of Edison, New Jersey, and I'm here with the Malakam and the Gandhian Society. This is an important part of our culture, and it's important to pass on our heritage to the next generation. And encouraging and promoting these activities, sport activities, are good for our kids and the future generation. And the Gandhian Society is Gandhiji stated that small changes are the way to change the world. And these small instances and the small changes in our society of promoting activities will change our future. So please support the Malakam Society and the Gandhian Society when you can. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Rajendra Dichpalli and I'm the director of Gandhian Society. Today, on April 26th, we are having an event in Edison. As you all know, Gandhian Society was founded here in US by Sri Bhadra Butala ji. Gandhian Society has done some amazing work in the US and India in partnership with the Gandhian associations in India and elsewhere in the world. During the pandemic, Gandhian Society was one of the first organizations to send oxygen concentrators to India. We sent over 200 oxygen concentrators, and also we donated over 18 ambulances to India. And also the Gandhian Society, in partnership with the Birla Group, has started an amazing digital museum in New Jersey, which caters to various segments of the society to spread the ideals and message of Bapu, Mahatma Gandhi, amongst the diaspora. I'm very happy that Gandhian Society continues to serve the Indian American community in the US, especially in the East Coast. And we have another event scheduled today, which Mahesh Wani, the director and organizer of today's event, will brief you about. Thank you, and Jai Hind and Jai Gandhi.
Hi, my name is Niran Chaudhary. I'm part of the Gandhian Society. And basically the Gandhian Society's main objective is to keep the Mahatma Gandhi's principle alive. This is, even though it is, conceptually it is ahimsa, but Mahatma Gandhi did more than ahimsa's Andolan itself, because he actually showed us the path how we can live our life without any conflict, but in spite of the many constraints. That's the beauty of the Gandhian principle, Gandhian philosophy. So we like to at least take that into our life, not only through the Gandhian Society, but also we can influence others, how we can follow the Gandhian philosophy in our life as well as in our community, and also basically in wherever we live.
Hello everyone, very nice to see so many people here, the kids. Thank you so much to the Gandhi organization, the Malcolm organization, all the activities that you do for the kids, for the children, for the benefit of the society. We are all very, very, very proud of you. And really, all the volunteers work so hard around the year, have been to their quite a few events, and every time have been mesmerized with their hard work. So thank you so much. Keep up the spirit.
Hi, my name is Colonel Tavatia, and we are here in Edison to attend an event which is basically the Indian government officials are coming here. Mr. Harshad Patel, who is the Vice Chancellor of Gujarat Vidyapeeth, along with a very senior officer from Aditya Birla Group. They are here to inaugurate a museum in New York City, about Gandhi Museum in New York City. It's a great honor to receive our people from India and listen to them and listen to their vision about Indo-US relationship and how we can promote the Indian culture in foreign land or here in United States. We are waiting for the guests to come, and many people are here. And we want to thank Mr. Mahesh Wani and his team to organize this event. And we want to thank ITV Gold for providing good coverage for this event. And let every community member know that these kind of events are happening here. A museum about Gandhiji is going to be inaugurated in New York City. And we have a very high official, Vice Chancellor of Gujarat Vidyapeeth, and a very high official of Aditya Birla Group who are here to address us today. And we are looking forward to hear them. Thank you.